Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Togepi from Pokemon Chibi Easy. So let's get started. To draw the simplified version of Togepi, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, about right here, and draw another circle. So nice and wide. And let's come in here and I'm just going to give it a highlight right here and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. And in between, let's draw the mouth. So I'm going to come right here in the center and about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve and then come right underneath it and draw a U. And then right here, we're going to draw a curve for the tongue. And let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. There. It's so cute already, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw the top of Togepi's head. So I'm going to use my eyes as a marker. So I'm going to come right above the eye, say about right here. Right, this is kind of like the center of the eye, or maybe the side of the eye, right here. Just going to go right above the eye, and I'm going to basically draw a slight curve towards the center, nice little peak that we're going to be drawing, and then come right back down. And then we're going to come to the side of this eye right here, so it's maybe the bottom of the eye, come out nice and wide. So we're just imagining there's this other peak that we need to draw, so I'm going to say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Just makes it a little bit easier. And I'm going to find my center. So let's say about right here. Let's just draw another peak and come right back down. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So the bottom of the eye. So about the same, say about right here. And once again, I'll do the same thing, kind of the center area out. So I'm just doing these points because I'm drawing pretty big and it just makes it easier for me to find where I'm going. But if you're drawing small, just go ahead and go 3 zigzags, just like that. Okay, so then from there, we're just going to come back right here and draw a curve. It comes down. And then let's draw the top. Right here in between, we're just going to draw another one for the back. And same thing here. Fill in this space, and then just imagine this is round, so there's going to be a curve inside right here and down there. Okay, so then now we can draw the shell. So let's come out right here and we're going to start our zigzags all the way across. So I'm just drawing these two just so I know where I'm going, and let's go for it. So I'm going to draw one main one about right here, and then in the center I'm going to draw 3 smaller ones. So just kind of like that would be my center. Of course, you don't have to, you could draw however you like. You just want to draw these zigzags up and down, just trying to follow the original Togepi right here, but something like that. You just want to go zigzag all the way across, and then from there we can just go ahead and draw this big curve for the egg. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big curve and connect it. There. So I got my big egg in. Make this part a little bit wider now that I'm looking at my camera. Okay, there. And then now the legs. So right here, about right here, I'm just going to pop out a curve and tuck it in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Curve and tuck it in. There. And then for the hands, we're going to pop them out about right here. Just 2 little curves. and in, and same thing on the other side. So approximately, and in there. Okay, so then now we have the pattern we need to draw on the eggshell, right? On the shell. So I'm going to start with the main one. So right here, we're just basically going to draw a rounded off triangle. So just round off the corners and connect, and then we're just going to draw the inside. And so here and there, maybe this one on this side would be kind of like a diamond shape. Just round off the corners and the inside. And let's see here, we can put like a little triangle right here, part of one right here. And one more over here, so let's fill up the space. And of course, I almost forgot, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Togepi from Pokemon, Chibi style, of course. So I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.